Hi, I'm Beverly Mahone, founder and president of Boomer Diva Nation, where women are on the move and making a difference at midlife and beyond. We are currently searching for the most inspiring boomer woman of 2011. Could it be you, perhaps? We're looking for the woman who always encourages others. Perhaps she's the woman who helped you build your website or helped you grow your business in some other way. Or maybe she's the woman who lended a helping hand on a personal level, gave you some encouraging words when you needed it most. We want to know who that woman is and let others around the world know who she is too. If that's you or someone you know, go to www.boomerdivanation.org and submit your nominee. The winner will be announced just in time for Christmas with a $100 Visa gift card and other valuable prizes. Thank you, and thank you so much for supporting Boomer Diva Nation, where women rule the roost.